CCR2450. It's a 140cc engine. It's a Toro, and something's leaking. That's all we know. Pretty sure it starts. It doesn't start. All right. Here's it at a better angle. It's pretty common.
Try to start it.
Yeah, let's see what happens. I don't think it has gas in there, but
Gas? Yeah, it's good gas.
all right.
Full shock. No way.
Nada.
No way.
All right.
Okay, let them
See what we can do.
First we take the fuel line out. And I wanna drain some gas of it to see what kind of gas we have. Can you hold for me? Right. It's blue. Oh, it's good gas. That is good gas.
How is it blue?
That the oil is blue.
Oh,
That's
okay.
why the gas is blue. Looks cool. I think it's good.
Looks pretty
I
clear.
think. Now we take the carburetor out. This screw and that one. Yep. And this spring go out and that wing. Then it go out. The primer line. Now we clean up the carburetor. We take that 4 screws out. That's why it's we take this one out and we should take this out. Spring it here. Now we put this seal back. And this one. Then we screw up this. This. Yeah? No. this way. Okay. Now this one here. Now this one like that. This and that go here. Okay. Fuel line. And the primer line. Let's come here. Let's try to start.
See what happens.
Full shock. Turn on the key. Time it a couple times. Okay. Now start.
The issue.
We take the spark plug out. Let's see what is happening. Oh, that's too much gap on me. That's a good. No, it's not.
It's not consistent.
We put a new spark plug.
Oh. Oh.